All Capture-hosted form submissions, including Progressive ID forms, landing page forms, and academic scholarship calculators, will be placed into a Forms inbox in the Dashboard section of Engage. Now we'll show you how to download these forms. To begin, navigate to the Dashboards tab and click on PID Forms Inbox. This page provides an overview of all form submissions. Each form is clearly labeled with its own separate tab, so you can distinguish what the submissions are for. To download all submissions under one of the tabs, click on the checkbox next to First Name to highlight the entire section. Then scroll down and click the green Download button. This will download a CSV that you can upload into your CRM. You can customize a list using as few or as many names as you want. To do this, click on the checkbox next to each name you want to appear in the file. You can also clear the inbox of names. To clear names, click on the checkbox next to the names you want to clear. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit the red Clear button. When the box pops up, click OK to remove the names.